Well, hey, today is day 75 of my 100 days of eating nothing but keto chow. That's actually kind of a big deal. In fact, I didn't even realize it though until we were having dinner with my parents tonight. Miriam made pork chops because I was asleep. Um, anyway, and I was talking to my parents, and I'm like, "Yeah, today's actually day 75. Wow." Um, But hey, today's Sunday. I'm not doing a long update, really short update actually. So I'll probably wax a bit philosophical about it tomorrow. So sorry. Yeah. Anyway, and I'm a bit sick. I've got a stuffy nose. And somebody said, I thought on the keto diet you weren't ever supposed to get sick. I'm like, yeah, I haven't been sick for a long time.
Haley, I'm gonna shower at 4 tomorrow.
And Ruth's gonna shower at 4 tomorrow. She was using the Google Home broadcast thing. That was funny. Anyway, yeah, I'll catch you all tomorrow, and yeah, see ya.